families. We are back. My name's Jen and I have a couple little helpers with me in our home today. I have Kaya and Hadley. Okay, so I have to tell you, we are going on a trip. We're going all the way to New York as soon as school gets out, and we need to be prepared for it. So what we're gonna do is make some trail mix, and we'll have a few different varieties, and Hadley and Kaya will make their own blends. We have lots of options to choose from, and then we'll be able to take the bags with us and eat when we're hungry. So this is definitely something you can do when you go to baseball games, when you're hanging out at the pool, whatever you're doing this summer, going camping, you can make your own trail mix with just stuff that you have in your cupboards. So we're going to show you what foods we had, and then we'll make a few different blends. So what we're gonna do is make 3 different blends, and you can put whatever you want in it. You just wanna make sure that you get a variety of things. So you may want some crunchy things. You'll probably want some protein, which would come from your nuts and seeds. You'll probably want some fruit, which we have apricots and craisins and bananas, and we have apples. And you could even put some fun foods in there like the chocolate chips. And we actually have dark chocolate chips, so there's less sugar in that. So that's a good choice too. So why don't you guys go ahead and get started. Make a few mixes. So Hadley's almost going with kind of a tropical blend. She has coconut and she has bananas. That'll be really yummy. And Kaya's got kind of her savory blend, crunchy Kix cereal, and she's got a little bit of chocolate going on there. Yep, Kaya, it's time for some fruit and maybe some nuts. Going for some craisins. You could also use raisins if you have those around. You could use pretzels for another crunchy option. Lots of things you can do. Okay, we're back. So we have a few different blends, and we were talking about ways where you can kind of change it up a little bit. And what Hadley just did was put cinnamon in that blend. Hadley, what other foods did you have in that blend?
I put apples in it, well, dried apples, and some coconut and granola, goldfish, and some sunflower seeds.
Yum. I will also tell you that if you like spicy things, you could always put some cayenne pepper in there or chili powder. And that can kind of, sometimes if you add spice, it makes the food sweeter too. So that is an option. Well, thank you guys for joining us. Don't forget, trail mix is a fast and easy snack and very healthy if you make it that way. All right, until next time, bye.